Hey, what's up? It's Aaron, and in this video I'm going to share with you 11 of the best earning apps out there that you can use 100% for free. You can be a beginner and you can start generating some income from these apps, and I'm going to share them with you, and you can use them right now if you want, alright? And anytime if you want to get my favorite strategy that I use online to 100% quit my full-time job in April 2019, you can always check the free training right on the bottom below, okay? Now let's jump into this. So I'm going to jump on my screen right now. The first one I'm going to show you is basically a category of surveys. So you can literally go out there and fill out surveys every single day. And there's some really good websites that will teach you how to do that. One of them is called surveytime.io, right? This one pays you about $1 for every survey that you complete. It's really, really cool. It's global. You can sign up for free with Google or Facebook, and you can start taking surveys here right now, okay? The second one that is also really good is called Prime Opinion, okay? And this is located, again, globally. You can get paid for taking surveys. They will pay you anywhere from 10 cents all the way up to $2 per survey. So there are quite a few surveys that you can take out there, and it's really, really quite simple. You just sign up for free, and then you would, join as many surveys as you can. So it's not just Prime Opinion, but I would, rotate between Survey Time and Prime Opinion, and maybe some other survey websites out there. But these two are really, really good, and some of them will even aggregate other surveys from other websites for you to take them. And sure, you're going to be able to fill them out. And I would say that with filling out surveys, you can probably get to a few dollars a day if you are diligent and actually filling out the surveys on a regular basis. So you want to definitely check out these two websites, right? Now, the next category of websites are basically called GPT websites, get paid to do something. Now, the first one, which I think is really cool, is called Free Cash, okay? freecash.com. You can come here, again, it's global. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and there are a few ways to make money on a GPT style website. The first way is to download something called offers, okay? Now, an offer is basically where you download something, whether it's a game or an application or an app, and you have to do certain things in that actual app or game in order to win some money from it, okay? So there's certain milestones that you have to complete, like, for example, this game right here, Wild Survival. They will pay you out $20, but you have to reach a certain milestone, maybe like level 30 or level 50, for example. So some of these do take a little bit of time, but some of them can be worth the time doing because some of the payouts are quite high. Like, look at this one, Casino Roulette, $45. This is a casino style game, so you might have to put down a little bit of your own money in order for you to make money back, but that's completely up to you and how you use it, okay? But some of these can be pretty good if you actually leverage it properly. Some of them pay a little bit less than others. You can see this 44 cents, but some of these are pretty high, right? $49 if you actually play it out all the way and hit the right milestones, okay? They also do things like allow you to fill out surveys right here. So they work with some of the biggest survey companies like BitLabs, CPX Research, and Polefish and InBrain, and you can fill out surveys that way. And then you can also cash out, share this with people, and this is how you can generate some income with this. Free Cash is really cool because if you really hustle on this website, you can do about $5 to $10 a day. This is why I like this as a GPT style website. There are other GPT style websites where you can't earn as much. For example, some of them you're only earning a few dollars a day, but this one you really can get to $5 to $10 if you put in a certain amount of time into it, right? Some other good and notable GPT websites that you can check out are YSense. Okay, YSense is also very similar. You can fill out surveys, you can download offers, you can play games, you can recommend this to people, okay? Very, very similar, all right? All of them allow you to withdraw through gift cards or PayPal, which is what is really nice, PayPal money, which is cool. A lot of the thresholds are quite low. $5 usually is a minimum that you need to withdraw, which is cool, right? And there's another really good GPT website here called Prize Rebel as well, also available all over the world, right? Now, there's another category which is slightly different. This is also a GPT website, but it allows you to do something called geo mining, okay? This is called CoinApp.co. It allows you to basically walk around your city, hit different locations, mine those locations, win coins, right? You can also take surveys, you can play games, you can download offers, right? And you can exchange your coins into actual crypto called coin, C-O-I-N, right? And then you can withdraw that into cash if you want, or you can exchange your coins for different physical gifts like speakers and microphones and even an iPad. So if you want to check it out, coinapp.co, also pretty cool. This one, you're looking at about, a couple of dollars a day if you actually work the app properly, right? Now, the next category is basically bandwidth sharing. So you can literally download some of these apps, right, like pawns.app, right, and you can literally let it run in the background, and you can share some of your bandwidth with people all over the world. It's very, very cool, right? So pawns.app, you can literally download this, have it run in the background. Another one that you can use in tandem is called Honeygain, all right, honeygain.com. Now, Here's the thing about these two apps that you must understand, right? Even though it is free and it runs in the background, you don't have to do anything, you're looking at roughly about $3 to $5 per month on each of these apps, all right? So if you download them both, you have them run in the background, that might be an extra $5 to $10 a month for you just doing absolutely nothing, okay? Just them taking a little bit of your bandwidth and sharing it with their users, and that's really, really cool, right? Again, passive, it's 100% free. You can check it out if you want. Now, the next category that I like, and this is, I think, the highest earner, but you have to do this in the right way, is basically testing websites and apps, becoming a tester, right? So there's a very cool website called UserBrain, okay? So basically you would test out websites for them, test out new applications, you would record your screen, you would basically go through the application and give them some, insight on how it went, were there any bugs, was the flow good? That's basically all you have to do. This one in particular, you can get paid, $5 per test, which is not so bad, okay? You're just taking a few tests, and again, it depends on how many tests they have available at the time. So what you want to do is you want to join a few of these companies. So UserBrain is a really good one. User testing is actually a really, really good one, right? If you come to the top right here, you click on pay to test, then you can go through this. You can basically set up your account for free. It shows you how it works right here. They will pay in between $10 and $120 per test. Okay, so this one is pretty cool, right? And it works exactly the same way as UserBrain right here. And then there's another one you can check out called Perfection, which is also very similar as well. So these ones, you're not going to get a ton of tests all the time, but what you want to do is you want to sign up to all three of these: user testing, UserBrain, all right, and Perfection as well. And when you do it in tandem, every time you take a test, you can earn money directly just for helping people to test out websites to see what the flow is like. And that is it. So these are the 11 websites that you can use for free, for 100% free today, to start earning some money online. Some of them will earn you a little bit more than others, but remember, these are free strategies and you can be located anywhere in the world. So if you want to check them out, definitely go through this video again if you need to, just to get the website so you can write them down and start taking action today. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you got some value in this video. Go ahead and like this video, leave some comments for me if you have any questions. All right, if you want to get my strategies on how I generate income, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because I always come up with content that will teach you how to make money 100% online and from home. And if you want to get my favorite strategy, I use this exact strategy to quit my full-time job in 2019, my 5 times my old salary. I'm going to teach you this for free. If you would like, just click on the link right at the bottom. I've got a free masterclass. You can check that strategy out, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on another money-making video very, very soon. Take care.